How to save items on Temu. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save items on Temu application. Temu is an online marketplace that offers a wide range of products including fashion, electronics, home goods and many more. So if you want to save items you are interested in for future reference, here's how you can do it. First of all, make sure you have already downloaded Temu application on your mobile device. Also have created account on it. Now tap on the application to open it and make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, here you can now browse for items. You can also use the search bar at the top and find the items you are interested in. Or you may also browse through the categories to find the items. When you find an item you want to save, tap on it to view the product details. Here scroll down to find product details. Once you find the product details, at the right side of it, you'll find the heart icon that says save. You just simply have to tap on this heart icon to save it to your wish list. Now this item will be added to your saved or wish list. To view your saved items, you will first need to come back to the home page and go to your profile by tapping on this profile icon at the central button. By tapping on it, you will reach your profile page. Here scroll a bit down and tap on this wish list. Once you tap there, you will see all the items that you have saved for later. So in this way you can save items on Temu. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.